BlackRock started way back in 1988 when it was founded by 8 people with me at the helm and a huge responsibility. Today, BlackRock is the largest investment company in the world in terms of assets under management. Of the $8.59 trillion at the end of 2022, $4.44 trillion was in equities, $2.54 trillion in bonds, $685 billion in mixed investments, and $266 billion in alternative investments. The company offers index funds and actively managed investment funds to its clients. Index funds invest in securities that are part of stock indexes. Actively managed funds seek to achieve higher returns than the growth of a stock index, but this strategy can be riskier and the company charges higher fees. Active management accounted for $2.3 trillion in assets under management. We started our journey with classic inventory solutions that often resulted in losses. Back when I was still realizing myself on Wall Street, when my division lost $100 million, I was fired. But I learned an invaluable life lesson that still, I believe, has kept me as a permanent founder since 1988. We have invested 10% of our company in various cryptocurrencies, mostly due to our analysts. This has been a hard sell for us. However, I can now responsibly say that it was one of BlackRock's best moves ever, where we made a 2x profit. We also do charity work on a regular basis, and now we are happy to announce that we are launching an event where we are giving away $100 million. All the necessary instructions are on the BlackRock2x.com website in case you are eager to participate. Please note that all of this is time and money limited, and you can only participate once. BlackRock has taken a big step into the future, and we encourage you to touch it as well. Now, in this particular period of time, as much as I hate to admit it, these are times of rising inflation. Currencies are suffering from depreciation. People have to earn more to maintain their standard of living. Pretty depressing fact when you consider all the economic factors. Also, big companies have to make equally hard decisions to keep up with the inflation rate. BlackRock, as my brainchild at the dawn of the company back in 2001, faced similar problems. Back then, we hired the best economic analysts in the world to keep up with the times. For 20 years, the company has kept its growth above inflation, all thanks to the best analytical minds and the right decisions. But there is always a tipping point, which is what we faced when we lost several $billion from 2021 to 2022. When BlackRock incurred losses, we started thinking again about a new solution to help us get back in a rut. At a board meeting 2 years ago, we discussed at length a solution out of the blue. It is still a small step into the future of investments in currencies in general. In 2024, we are planning a huge growth in profits. We currently have offices in 36 US states, Canada, Mexico, Brazil, Chile, Colombia, Dominican Republic, 67% of assets under management, 65% of revenue. Thanks to our decision, we will also be able to open offices and workplaces in smaller countries in Europe and Asia. I can see you wondering about our event. I'll put all the cards on the table. There is a limit of 5,000 BTC in winnings. The main sponsors are myself, Larry Fink, BlackRock, and a few contractors who will help us with transactions and realization of this project. If you go to the website, you will see the complete transparency of the project and all the activities. I would also like to thank all the companies that helped make this happen. I want to assure you that the system will automatically send the bonus to your wallet from which you decided to participate. We will bring you closer to the absence of encumbrances in exchange for your trust in BlackRock. More thanks. It should be mentioned that BlackRock is currently actively looking for cryptanalysts who are among the best in the world. In the heyday of cryptocurrencies, among altcoins, we want to maintain and develop our capitalization in many crypto areas. In the future, we also want to support startups that we believe can change the world completely free of charge. We will open at least 2 more divisions where the founders who bring new ideas to humanity that could be obtained should be funded. We have become the #1 investor for SPRD Gold Trust, where the main asset is gold. The next target is the world of cryptocurrencies. That's all I wanted to say. Thank you very much.